Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Infinite Escapes. You are now tapped in with your boy Josh. Appreciate y'all for being here. Today I'll be giving you guys a very quick but exclusive tour of my Airbnb here in Nairobi, Kenya, specifically the Kilimani neighborhood. If you know about Kilimani, you know, definitely do your homework. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share this video, sub up guys. I will be bringing you exclusive content and very, very consistent. So without any further delay, let's jump right into this video. So we'll start with the kitchen area. One of the things I really like about it is how practical it is to stay here. You've got a full-size fridge, which is perfect if you're staying for more than a couple of days and want to stock up on groceries. There's a good amount of counter space, a water dispenser right by the sink, and plenty of cabinets up top and down below for storage. The dish rack and utensils are already set up, so you don't even have to worry about bringing your own. On this side, you've got a full gas stove and oven, which is a huge plus compared to a lot of Airbnbs that only give you a hot plate or a microwave. There's an electric kettle and some basics for like tea and coffee, which is really convenient. Overall, the kitchen makes it easy to actually cook and eat at home instead of eating out for every single meal. You know, it's nice to have that option to feel a little bit more settled, especially if you're looking to stay in Nairobi for a week or more. Plenty of cabinet space. Like I said, these look really nice. Very modern, very sleek. Give you guys a quick glance with these. Then we'll jump right into the next space. So this is the living room space, and what I like most about it is how bright and open it feels. The large floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light during the day, and at night you get a great view of the city lights outside. Love the smart TV, by the way. Can easily hook my phone up to it. Got my drone right there, as you guys can see. Man, just check out this view though. Awesome view. There's also extra seating, a coffee table, some nice decor touches like the wall art and indoor plants that make the space feel warm and inviting. Let me give you guys just a quick little sneak peek of this view. I think you guys will definitely enjoy this. Check it out. Yeah, so overall, it's a great spot to chill, entertain, or just unwind after a long day of exploring the city. I mean, this is just my happy space. I'm gonna keep it 100. Got a nice little dining table right here. All right, I haven't used this yet, but it's an intercom system for me to communicate with the front desk, like for Ubers, deliveries, things like that, or if there's an emergency. So it's really good for safety and things like that, like things that pop up out of nowhere, so yeah. So this is the bedroom, simple, clean, and honestly, it's pretty cozy. Comes equipped with an iron board, nice painting right there. Right here, you've got a full closet with plenty of storage space. Comes with built-in cabinets and even a mirror on the door, which makes it super convenient if you're staying more than just a couple of days, like me. You can actually unpack, hang your clothes, and keep the room from feeling cluttered. That's a problem that I have all the time. As you can see, I got my stuff nice and packaged. Y'all see the drip. Let's check out the drip real quick. Something slight, something slight. And a fun fact, guys, you might not can tell, but I actually overpacked for this trip. My bags were way too heavy. So I definitely recommend whatever airline that you plan to fly on, do your research, do your homework, see the weight capacity because it'll save you money and stress in the long run. Because yeah, it stress your boy out. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So definitely make sure you are not over capacity when it comes to your luggage. Let me give you guys one more 360 really quick. Man, I love this room. I ain't gonna even lie. The only downside, I wish it had a flat screen TV inside, but hey, I can't ask for too much. I'm blessed to have this spot. It's a very nice space. Over here, we have the electrical switches, which are all manually controlled. You can turn them on and off individually. Also, I have a light switch right next to my bed, so that's very convenient too. If I don't feel like getting up out the bed to turn the lights off, It's right there next to my bed. So it's a dope room. I don't know the size of the bed, but yeah, it might be a queen. Show you guys this nice view that overlooks the Kilimani neighborhood. Only downside, I wish the balcony was a lot bigger, especially with me being a drone pilot. It'll make it easier for me to launch my drone from a flat surface. But hey man, I can't complain. Awesome view. I'll let you guys check it out real quick. Okay guys, I'm gonna need you to give me a little bit of space. Y'all been in my room way too long. So let's go to the laundry room real quick, see what's going on in here. Now, a plus about this Airbnb, it does come with a cleaner. She comes through twice a week. She takes care of the kitchen, the bathroom, living room, bedroom, common area. So I really appreciate that. She does a good job. Shout out to her. That's the water heater right there. You just have to manually flip the switch over here on the wall behind the washing machine, and it activates the water heater. And after I'm done, I just simply turn it off. So yep. And it gets super hot too. I love it. Takes a little bit of time, but you know, it's worth it. Definitely worth it. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Let's see what's going on in here. Got it nice and organized and clean. Got my toiletries over there. You know, we got a full glass shower. Nice towel in the bathroom. That's me right there, y'all. Nice and handsome. Haha, check me out. All right, y'all. Like I said, very nice shower. Window right there in the shower is kind of different, but it allows the steam to escape, as well as some type of vent up there as well to help, you know, control the steam in the bathroom. So here's a 360 view of the bathroom. Includes towels and other toiletries. It came with tissue, shower gel, etc. Here's a view of the corridor from my apartment. For the most part, the building is very quiet. I haven't had any issues in terms of noise. So definitely consider the type of neighborhood you'll be moving to. Kilimani, for the most part, is peaceful. I'm not directly that close to clubs, but it's not that far away. Bars and the clubs and the nightlife is not that far away from me. So it's pretty much peaceful. Security camera right there. There are security cameras all throughout the building. So safety is very important to me. So I had to make sure when I was booking this place that I had to make sure that they had a surveillance system, which they do. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching the full tour. If you found this helpful or inspiring, drop a like and subscribe for more Airbnb finds, travel gems, and drone views from around the world. Until next time, safe travels.